folks, McGie here. I'm heading in to do some hunting right now. Muzzleloader hunting. The snow is falling. I'll try to get you some footage of some good snow falling. You can hardly see it, I don't think, right now. But anyway, let's get in here and do some hunting. Oh my goodness. Ay. Let the deer come. Bring them on. Oh, yeah. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I've got a little deer right in front of me, and that's what's bringing him in. That's how you drop them in their tracks right there, folks. Ain't no sense of waiting for them. When they get within 30, 40 yards, you just drop them. And that's all there is to it. The little deer he's coming to is still standing there. Where are you at, little deer? I can see him with my naked eye. Okay, there he is, center of the screen. He's standing there. He's standing there looking like, what just happened? What just happened? Oh my goodness. Snow, cold. Today was the day. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Unbelievable. That little deer's gonna go check him out. Go on over there, baby. Looky, check him out. He's laying there. I believe I'm gonna go ahead and reload my muzzleloader. There's another deer over it's a spike buck, maybe. Man alive, I can't shoot another buck. I'm tagged out for the year on bucks. I can shoot a doe, but I don't want to shoot a doe. I gotta get Caleb out here. I've got all of the gadgets for holding all this stuff to make this job easier that you really have to have if you're hunting in a tree. You've got to have the little primer dispensers and powder dispensers, all that. But hunting in this blind, I don't have to have that because I've got the convenience. And I have let my boys have all those things to hunt because they hunt more in trees and in their other blinds and their different things. And so I have the inconvenience of having to get it out of that, but I have the convenience of having as many shots as I want. I could shoot 20 times if I needed to. The truth is, if you can't get it done with one shot, you better just go home. But I got it done with one shot. Let's go down there and take a look at him. I was up there 16 feet to the floor. The boys helped me build this when they were almost too little to hunt. The following fall, I believe, I got them out there hunting for their first hunts. All right, let's go see what this did here, what we got. I'm not sure if it's 8 point, 6 point. I just knew for me, I'm gonna take that deer. 6 point. All right, I believe I got some 7 point, 7 point. There we go, yeah. I don't know if I got videos of him or not. Anyway, that's him. That's awesome. I gotta get the truck. I'm gonna step it off and see how far this shot was. I don't think it's over 60 yards. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, about 42 yards. It's cold. About a 42-yard shot. He was walking straight towards me, but at 42 yards, if I can't plug the center of that neck, I don't need to be out there hunting. I'd rather do that than to track one through the bushes any day. I'm gonna grab the truck, get down here, and I'll get him loaded up. Yeah, we got a little snow. It's not really the snow, it's the chilly cold that got me, man, alive. Cool. All right, let's go, let's go. Yes. Well, I don't want to back the truck back into my clover because I got real soft ground and it may damage, make ruts, all that good stuff. I really don't want to hurt my clover, but a 30-yard drag is no big deal. I'm gonna get him and load him up here. Drop his tailgate. Hopefully I can do it without slipping. That snow's gonna make that bed of that truck slick, but let's see what happens. I actually believe that my 4-point was heavier. Oh me, that's all right. Let's load him up. Yeah, he's not very heavy. He is not very heavy at all. I'm just gonna do my regular. Wow, look at that, where I hit him right there. Right in the neck where I was intending. There. Don't slip, buddy. There we go. Nice. He's a pretty deer. He's a pretty deer, I tell you. Not gonna be passing up a deer like that. I don't believe I've got him on camera. Very interested. Well, here we go, folks. He's been rubbing on poke or something, pokeberries. He has been rubbing pokeberries into his antler. That's interesting. Yep, very interesting. We got us about another 2.5-year-old deer here, I believe. Not an old deer. Good deer to eat. That's what we've got here. I couldn't be more tickled to have him. A lot of guys, I mean, it's getting more and more where the majority of guys will let deer like this go in favor of waiting for a bigger one. But I'm in a situation where it's better for me to tag out and bring my boys. Then I can get some videos of them hunting. I would be more tickled if Caleb got this deer than myself, but with it being so terribly cold, I told him, why don't you hunt this evening? Be a little bit warmer. Well, now he's gonna get to hunt every morning and every evening. So we'll see if we can't get him one. But he's already killed 2 deer this year. So anyway, he ain't hurting and we ain't either. I'm tickled pink with him. Let's take a look at this clover. This is what brings a lot of deer in here. It's a mixture of clover and wheat, as you see right here. It's up 4 to 6 inches, I'd say. I'm very happy with it. Very happy with it. We'll be growing another crop of corn here next year. I grow corn here every year. I don't have to rotate my crops because this is my crop rotation. This is my feed for the ground, and does it ever do wonders. It's hard to believe. But the fact that it brings the deer to me is what really gets me going. And it didn't bring him necessarily to me. The little deer that was standing here is what brought him over. I saw him earlier this morning out that way. I thought I had my camera on, but I didn't get it turned on, but it worked out anyway because he didn't give me a shot. But he gave me a good enough shot there. Pretty tickled about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's all the bucks for me this year. No more buck hunting from McGie. Let's hope Caleb can make some connections. There seems to be a few bucks around this year. I wonder if the fact that I let it grow up more than ever didn't have something to do with that. I'm not sure. Be watching for the next video, but that's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.